岁月静好，不过3秒。
Mom? My left ear feels like there's something wobbling inside.
Did you have a swimming lesson today?
No, I didn't. It doesn't feel or sound like water.
Let me have a look.
One eternity later.
Well, I think your ear is full of earwax. It's okay.
Can you use the ear pick to pick my ears?
I'm afraid not.
How about a cotton bud? I see you dig your ears with a cotton bud before.
I can do it for myself, but I can't do it for you.
Why?
这还用问？亲生的，下不了手。
怕什么怕？别怕呀！又不让你赔。
What if I hurt you?
How would cleaning my ears hurt me?
You never know.
Plus, it feels kinda nice.
Really?
Yeah, it feels like a itch scratch inside my ears.
Anyway, I'll make an appointment with the audiologist to remove your earwax. I'm happy to pay.
Okay, 亲妈。1,000 years later.
It's time to go to bed, okay?
Okay. 10 minutes later.
Now I see why it goes in one ear and out the other.
Why?
Bedtime, young girl.
Fine! But I have to sleep with you.
Fine.
Give me a like and don't wake me up.